Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting your data. Backup photos, messages, and settings to cloud or PC because uninstalling an update can erase data. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 50% and use the original cable. Next, reboot into recovery. Power off, then press and hold volume down plus power, or volume up plus power depending on model. You need to access Color OS Recovery. This gives the tools to remove the OTA or rollback safely. Once in recovery, assess options. If you have an official rollback package saved on internal or SD storage, select Install from storage and apply the package. This restores the previous firmware. Make sure the file name and signature match the expected vendor release. This prevents bricking. If no package exists, you can choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset to remove incremental update residue, but this erases user data, so rely on your backup. Proceed only when you confirm the correct. You finish by rebooting the system and waiting patiently. The first boot can take 5 to 15 minutes as services reinitialize. If the phone enters a boot loop or shows errors, return to recovery and either restore the backup or reinstall the correct rollback/stock firmware package. If checksum or signature verification fails, do not force other packages. This risks permanent damage. At that point, contact Oppo service or an authorized repair center for assistance and provide the model and firmware build details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.